So one of the neat things we can do is we can use HTML inside PHP. So I'm going to pull this out, and as you can see, our information right now isn't that pretty. Which, by the way, I'm going to grab a quick little screenshot of while it's still ugly. There we go. Okay, what we can do, I'm going to go outside of the for each loop here. I'm going to type the word echo again and do an apostrophe. Now with this, I can go in here and actually create HTML. So I'll go ahead and do a left tag, and we'll do table. I'm going to go ahead and give the table a border here, equals quotation, just like we normally do, 1, then a right tag, and then apostrophe, and a semicolon. So now we've gone and put some of this information, at least to show up, in a table. Take it one step further, is we're going to take this piece of information and make each piece go across in a row. So for each, blah, 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 the connection, the query, select everything from demo as R. So we echo, and in front of the echo, I'm going to go ahead and actually break this down. So echo, do an apostrophe. We're going to start our table row as well as our table column, and then an end apostrophe for it, period, to connect it. It'll put the name, period. In this gap, instead of having a space, we're going to end the table column and start the next table column. Already have the dot for the ID number. We're going to repeat this in between ID number and money. So end column, start the next column. And here then we'll do the same here between money and lunches. And then after lunches, we're going to hit a period, do an apostrophe, and we're going to end the table column and the table row so that it can begin the next row. Do another apostrophe, run into the semicolon. That in turn starts the table, creates the table, and at the end we'll do an echo apostrophe and then just an end table tag. Apostrophe, semicolon. Save. Go over here. Transfer it over. Update. Very good. We're going to go here and we're going to update this information. Yes, continue. Up. And we have an error. Integrity constraint violation. Duplicate entry 0 for key primary. Okay, so we accidentally made a entry mistake. So we'll just go back to the database here. I'm going to refresh this. One of these has a duplicate entry. That's not the worst thing happening in the world. If we get more complicated, we'll have to show how to prevent the database from even writing that information. But we'll hit delete there. Go back over here, refresh, and there's the information inside of a table now, although it still didn't give me the border. So let's check out why it didn't give me the border real quick. Did I spell border right? I did not. I hit a P. Been doing that a lot today. So that would give us a border. So we'll just refresh real quick. And then go refresh the page, and now our table. Ah, man, it really, I know why, because the information I previously wrote, it's writing it over and over again when I refresh the page. So that's why it's doing that. I wrote some information when I was testing it last. Go to browse. Have to delete it again. And now we're able to refresh it and see our table with no issues. So there you have that piece of the puzzle. And then from there, you're able to write the rest of the HTML without any issues.